Welcome to the Virginia Beach Public Library's on-demand videos. Hi, I'm Miss Tracy. So what do you think of when you think of summer treats? Maybe you thought of that campfire classic, s'mores. Did you know that August 10th is National S'mores Day? So what is it about s'mores that make us say, give us some more? It's quick, cheap, easy, several cooking options. You can get creative with it with simple add-ins, with simple swaps. Learning a basic recipe is a good way to get into cooking and food preparation. And once you learn a basic recipe, you can get creative with it and experiment. If you don't have a campfire to roast your marshmallow, don't worry, you have several kitchen options. Check out the link in the description to find out about some of these options, which include using your oven, microwave, or stovetop. If you want to have some fun, maybe check out how to make a solar oven. There's a link in the description from NASA on how to make a solar oven. You just use the sun on a hot sunny day to roast your marshmallows. Need a graham cracker, piece of milk chocolate, large marshmallow, and you're gonna top it off with another graham cracker. Ta-da! So you've got the basic recipe and a few options for roasting the marshmallow. So we're going to try 4 fun s'mores variations with a few add-ins to change it up a little and add a little extra flavor. Let's get started. Spread your favorite nut butter. And then some jam on the other cracker. You can see where we're going with this. A little bit of PB&J going here. Your chocolate, that toasted marshmallow. Yum, yum. Let's get some frosting on this. And some sprinkles for a birthday cake flavor. Top up a piece of chocolate. Get some of your favorite fruit or whatever you can find in the summer. Bananas, pineapples, sliced strawberries, raspberries, got some blackberries too. Top it with chocolate. This is gonna be interesting. Yum. Bacon, anyone? I'll play something a little different. If you enjoyed these variations, here are some more simple swaps to try for unique flavor combinations. It's a chance to get creative. Maybe it's what you have or work with your specific needs. Swap out the sandwich part of it. Cookie sandwich, chocolate chip cookie, brownie, cake, marshmallow treats, savory cracker, biscuit, waffle, tortilla, and speaking of sandwich, actual sandwich bread. Swap out the chocolate. Dark chocolate, white chocolate, peanut butter cup, caramel or other filled chocolate, mint chocolate, just your favorite chocolate bar. For marshmallows, different brands, seasonal flavors, Peeps. Hopefully you have a few ideas to work with. Try out new combinations to find your favorite. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning more about s'mores. Tag us on social media and show us what you made. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content from VBPL. Bye!